Welcome to SpatialMatch. This video is designed to give you all you need to get started with the platform. On the left side of the map, you'll see a toolbar. This holds all the tools that allow you to interact with the map. The Select tool allows me to drag and pan the map, as well as to click on objects on the map and get useful information about them. The Zoom In and Zoom Out tool works just like you're used to. Click the plus to zoom in and the minus to zoom out. The Draw to Zoom tool allows me to circle around an area that I'm interested in and zoom right in on that area. So it allows for really quick zooming to the places you're interested in. On the bottom of the map, you'll see the address bar. You can type in an address, you can type in a city, a state, or a zip code, and you'll jump right to that location you want to go to. The Views tool lets you toggle between road, satellite, and terrain views, so they give you a little bit better perspective on what's going on in that area. I'll also point out the sign up and login at the bottom right. I can click sign up to set up an account with SpatialMatch, and that allows me to save objects to the system as well as to save preferences. Once you have an account, just click login, enter your information, and you'll have all your saved searches, all your saved objects, etc. On the right side of the map, we have our apps. These apps allow us to turn on and off data on the map. I'll tell you about two apps today, the Lifestyle and the Homes app. Lifestyle allows me to choose different categories to display on the map. We have schools under here, but we also have a whole bunch of business categories. So just choose the category you're interested in seeing. Let's say shopping, grocery stores. And now all these red dots are showing me grocery stores on the map. If I want to see schools, I can just click back and go to schools, public schools, elementary schools. And now I'm seeing all the elementary schools in blue and all the grocery stores in red. There's also this distance slider under these elementary schools and under all objects in the Lifestyle app that allows me to put a distance around these objects. So if I want to find homes that are only within half a mile of an elementary school, I can just set this slider to half a mile, and you'll see that all these blue areas are now areas where there is a elementary school within half a mile of a home. So now you see how to build a basic lifestyle search in SpatialMatch. Once you find an area that you're interested in, you can zoom in on that area and start searching for homes. If you click the Homes application, you'll be able to choose between different listing types. Now, most of the time, there'll be, in addition to public records, there'll be a category that says for sale, or maybe a category that says apartments, or a category that says new construction. You can choose the listing type that you're interested in, but since we only have public records, we'll use that for now. By clicking public records, I now turn on all of the homes in this area. I can then refine my search by using the search criteria down below. Clicking beds allows me to use this slider to refine the number of beds that I'm searching by. So now I'm filtering my search by only homes that have 3 or more bedrooms. I can also use the upper slider to set an upper limit, so I'll only look for 3 to 4 bedroom homes. Clicking baths, I can set parameters for baths, so 3 or more bathrooms, and the same for size, year built, and if I were looking at for sale homes, I could filter by price as well. So now you have a basic understanding of how to use the Lifestyle and the Homes tools. If you click on any object on the map, you'll open up a card that tells you a little bit about that object, and generally will show you a picture of that object as well. Hope you enjoyed this intro. If you have any other questions or if you get stumped along the way, just keep in mind that you can hover over any object on the outer frame of SpatialMatch, and it will give you a little pop-up tooltip that tells you how to use that object. If you want more information, you can click Learn More, and you'll see a whole video on how to use that object, as well as have a paragraph description on the proper use of that object. So with that, you're ready to go start searching, and we hope you enjoy the platform.